Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Google Drive video without download option. First, open the Google Drive app. Locate and launch the Google Drive app pre-installed on most Android devices. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it for free on the Google Play Store. Once the app opens, navigate through your Google Drive folders and files. Videos are usually indicated by a small play button icon next to their file name. And select the video. Tap and hold on the video file you want to download. This will select the file and bring up a context menu with various options. Step 4. Access the download option. Look for the three vertical dots icon on the menu bar that appears at the bottom of your screen. This icon represents more options. Tap this icon to reveal a list of additional functionalities. And then, download the video. Within the list of options, you should see Download. Selecting Download will initiate the downloading process. The video file will be saved to your device's storage. Reasons to download videos from Google Drive. While Google Drive offers a convenient platform for storing and accessing videos online, there are several reasons why users might choose to download videos to their local devices. First, offline access. Second, freeing up cloud storage. Third, efficient editing and sharing. Fourth, backup and security. And fifth, organization and accessibility. Downloaded videos can be organized within your local file system, making them easier to find and access compared to potentially cluttered cloud storage. In most cases, downloading through Google Drive typically preserves the original video quality. However, some internet connection limitations or specific file conversations might cause slight variations. The download location depends on your device and chosen settings. By default, downloaded files on computers are often saved in your Downloads folder. On mobile device, the location might vary depending on the Google Apps settings or your device's default download directory. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.